street. At school, Tony, Brian, and I play with Lisa and Emma on the playground. We all eat lunch together too. I also have friends from my soccer team.
Huh?
Named
Soccer ano?
Soccer team.
Team!
Soccer team. Too.
Named?
Named Hunter and
Jake.
Jake. Sometimes I get to see my cousins, Abby and Kevin. They are my friends too. I like all of my friends.